In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Telegram video from a private channel to your phone gallery. Now, I recommend using a Telegram bot in order to do this. And all you want to do is you want to go to the search bar just like so. And then please go ahead and look up save restricted content just like so. And then you're going to see multiple bots over here. And you can actually use these bots. Then go ahead and press on start. And basically, it is going to give you like the walkthrough. And basically, you need to go ahead and join the channel right over here. So go ahead and just press on join. And over here, it's also going to give you some tutorials showing you how to actually do this as well. So here's how it does work. So you would need to go ahead and copy the video link of the video you're trying to download. And then you would go ahead and put it on this bot right over here. And then it is going to download the video for you. And then you should be able to go ahead and save it to your gallery. Another really simple method is to just screen record your screen. So if downloading is restricted and bots don't work, screen recording is a reliable workaround. So all you need to do is you need to locate the video. And what's great is that both Android and iOS devices have built-in screen recorders. So you can go ahead and actually use that in order to record your screen, and that is actually going to get the job done. So that is another way that you guys could do it as well. So you just play out the video, then you would end the recording as soon as the video ends. And that's another effective way to do it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.